All of their names represent how they tried to adapt to the war to belong.
Mm.
War Daddy.
Mm.
He's
Yeah.
at the top. He's adapted to this war by commanding, acting as a father to everybody, calls the shots. He
Yeah.
puts himself on the front line at the most exposed.
Yeah.
He dives right in. He keeps order. He controls.
Yeah.
Kunas. Some think that it comes from the French word for fool,
Mm.
which is connasse. And so literally by becoming a fool,
He's just a
just diving right in the war, just being belligerent and
Right.
nasty and just cracking crude jokes. That's how he's done. He's become the animal, even though he does not like being called that.
Right.
Gordo, humor, deflection.
Mm-hmm.
And then Bible, through the scriptures, through Christ,
Mm-hmm.
Mm.
the role that he's taken on to adapt to the horrors of everything.
Yeah.
This is how they all adapt to it.
Yeah.
Deflecting with humor, becoming a fool, controlling being a father, looking to God and
Sounds
Christ.
like life.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then there's the machine.
Mm.
He just fully does or takes on whatever's right in front of him.
He has almost the most tragic nickname
Yeah.
Yeah.
because I think Norman at the start had the most apprehension to wanting to be in this war. Like he didn't want to kill anybody. But then by the end, he is mowing down people,
Oh, in order
no problem.
Too much humanity or too much emotion and life.
And
left
he's
in
like
him,
a machine where he has
gotta
to
shut off.
Yeah.
Yeah, he has to shut it off.